this is crazy, right? 'Cause that guy is like putting up like a bad repair sign, and he's screaming at his lawyer. I think he's the boss or he's just a mechanic. I don't even know, dude. But it's really crazy. You gotta watch this. Put it on YouTube. So yeah, it's cool. Alright, this is he's saying like curse words like get the fuck out of it, you fucking asshole, and all that crap, dude. I don't know why, it's just crazy. Guys, I don't know if it's fine if he's listening again, but I have to like record this crap, dude. It's like so fucking crazy, man. It's all that crap, dude. It's not worth screaming at probably your machine or something. Like seriously, it's like when there was the big trucks, like it's like when there was an old lady in the car. In the car, it sounded like, ee! And then he's like, and then he said to the guys, this is how these break things like. He's like, it's like, I don't know, it's crazy. Tired of talking and walking in the sun. So crazy. Look. Look at this. Yo, guys.
Yes.
See, look, he's trying to call 911. There's a guy inside. Because the other guy was screaming, call 911. I said, no. I'm going to YouTube. You get out of my way. I was recording. I have a YouTube channel on her phone too. I have all my names on YouTube.